everyone, this is Teacher Mars and I believe in the saying everything is simple unless you make it complicated. Today's video we will learn how to interpret decile, but first and foremost, please subscribe my channel Teacher Mars and hit the notification bell for more updates. So, interpreting deciles. So what is decile? Deciles are percentiles that split the data into groups of 10%, meaning every decile contains 10% of the data. In other words, decile is divided into 10 equal parts. For example, for the decile Z distribution, it is divided into 10 equal parts. How to interpret decile into percentile? The equivalent for first decile is 10% in percentile or percentage. Second decile is 20% in percentage. Third decile is 30% in percentage. Fourth decile is 40% in percentage. Fifth decile is 50th percentage. Sixth decile is 60% percentage. Seventh decile is 70 percentage. Eighth decile is 80% percentage. Ninth decile is 90% in percentage. 10th decile is 100 percentage, which means 10% of the distribution are below the first decile. 20% of the distribution are below the second decile. 30% of the distribution are below the third decile. 40% of the distribution are below the fourth decile. 50% of the distribution are below the fifth decile. 60% of the distribution are below 6th decile. 70% of the distribution are below 7th decile. 80% of the distribution are below 8th decile. 90% of the distribution are below 9th decile. And 100% of the distribution are below 10th decile. So we have here an activity. Write true if the statement is true, otherwise write false if it is wrong. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. So number 1, D sub 2 corresponds to 50%. Is it true or false? Number 2, every distribution has 10 deciles. Is it true or false? Number 3, each decile contains 10% of the distribution. Is it true or false? Number 4, if your score in a test is in the third decile, then 70% of your classmates got a score lower than yours. Is it true or false? Number 5, if your weight is in the 7th decile, then 70% of your classmates weigh lighter than you. Is it true or false? Number 6, in a test, if every student's score is in the 8th decile, then everybody surpassed the passing mark, which is 75%. Is it true or false? Diana joined a swimming contest. She finished the race in 12 minutes. If this time is the first decile, then she raced faster than 75% of the rest of the swimmers. Is it true or false? And number 8, a neighboring village has 500 households. If 100 of these households have already members positive to coronavirus, then the number of households negative to COVID is decile 8. Is it true or false? And of course 9, 10, and so on. And we have the answer K for the from the previous activity. Number 1, false, 2, true, number 3, true, false, false, number 4, 5, true, 6, true, 7, false, 8, true, 9, false, 10, false. And how about if we have a problem? So we have here decile formula with example. So example, find the decile D5, D6, and D9 of the following data. D5, D6, and D9 meaning 5th decile, 6th decile, and 9th decile of the following data 20, 30, 25, 23, 22, 32, and 36. So solution, arrange the data in ascending form or from lowest number to greatest number. So we have 20, 22, 23, 25, 30, 32, 36. A total of 7 data. So the formula for finding the 5th decile is D5 is equals to 5 over 10 times n, or the total number of data. The formula for finding the 6th decile is D6 is equals to 6 over 10 times n, or the number of data. And D9 or 9th decile is equals to 9 over 10 times n, or the total number of data. So for the D5 or 5th decile, we have 5 over 10 times 7 is equals to 3.5. Round it off, we have the answer 4. So in other words, from the first data, we have to count 1 to 4. So first data is 20, second is 22, 23, third, and the fourth data is 25. So 25 is the 5th data, meaning 25 below or 20 to 25 falls under the 5th decile distribution. And for the 6th decile, we have 6 over 10 times 7 is equals to 42. Round it off, we have fourth number. The fourth number or fourth data falls under 25, which is equivalent to D5. So 6th decile or 25 below are falls under the 6th decile distribution. And for the 9th decile, we have 9 over 10 times n, or the total number of data, which is 7. So 9 over 10 times 7 is equals to 6.3. We have to round it off. The answer is 6 data. So we have to count from first data to 6th data. And 6th data falls under 32. So 20 to 32 data falls under 9th decile distribution. So that's all. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and watch my videos.